How to graph a parabola with a table of values. In this case, we have y equals 2 bracket x minus 1 all squared, subtract 3. So to do this, we're going to first locate the vertex. And what we do is we look inside of the bracket and we notice that there's a negative 1. So to find the x value of the vertex, we take the opposite of that, which is positive 1. And then lastly, we look at the negative 3 and we'll use that as the y value for the vertex. And now we've got the vertex. We plot the vertex in the middle of our table of values and use x values that are 2 and 3, and then x values that are also 0 and negative 1, and substitute them into the equation to get the xy coordinates. So set up a table of values. You have your 3 columns, and the first step is to insert negative 1 into the equation. Use your calculator or use BEDMAS, and your first point is negative 1 comma 5. Your next step is to substitute 0 into the equation, and your point will be 0 comma negative 1. Your y output in this case will be negative 3, and we know that the vertex is 1 comma negative 3. Your fourth point, you should see a symmetrical pattern, negative 1 and negative 1. Or if you didn't know that, you could use the calculator to verify. And the same thing with your fifth point. Again, 5 and 5, negative 1, negative 1. You can see that there's symmetry about the vertex. Now the last step is to plot the points and draw a curve. So to do this, we start with negative 1 comma 5. Just follow the arrow, 1 left, 5 up. 0, negative 1 at the origin, go down 1. 1 comma negative 3 at the origin, 1 right, 3 down. 2 comma negative 1, start at the origin, go 2 to the right, 1 down. 3 comma 5, start at the origin, go 3 right, 5 up. And now draw a curve, and it should look like this. And that's how you graph y equals 2 bracket x minus 1 squared minus 3. Good luck.